If you are really creative and like to do some sort of flowery designs, then I can suggest something like that. It's very easy. I did a few lines like this, and then very loose lines like this, and then just creating different leaves or different branches. Again, I'm holding my Sharpie the same way as brush, a little bit further, not like this, it will be very tight. So if we keep it a little bit further, they're very loose and just really playful. So I finished this. Let's finish this one as well. Just different leaves or maybe branches. And then we have our brush with white acrylic. We can add just a gentle touch, and you can look at my touches. They're just phenomenal. Just one touch like this. Pushing it harder will be longer leaf or longer design like this. Pushing just a little bit would be smaller. Look at this. It's just creating something like that, using all the possibilities of each brush. And that's actually a very important knowledge to learn. And in this particular, you can see I added some red and the same. I'm going to use a different brush because that has a little bit smaller ending. So I'm using just cup because, and just adding in a very free form dots like this. And you can see they create such playfulness. And in some bags, I leave just white. Some bags add white and black. And some bags I feel, let's add a little bit more bright colors.